So today I'm going to show you how to cash out on Cash App. So I'm going to load up the app right over here so you can follow along in real time. So we're here on the main page of Cash App. You can see it's kind of where you normally plug in your numbers to send to people. And what we're going to do is click on the bottom left icon. For me, it does show a number amount. So if you have money in the account, that's what you'll see. If worst case, you'll probably see like a bank icon, which means you actually don't have money in the account. So you can see right over here on this page, the first thing you're going to see on the top right hand area is going to be a thing that says cash out. So if we push on this, first and foremost, it's going to give us the option to pull out all the money we have on our account, but we can slide this over here and choose whatever dollar amount we'd like. Or if you actually push on the number, you can put in an exact amount. So you can do like $8.50. And then what you can do is click on the cash out button, and it's going to ask you how you want that money sent back to your account that's on file, which if you don't have that, I'll show you guys here in a minute exactly how to do that. So you can click on the standard, and that is just going to take anywhere from 1 to 2 business days. I do find that it typically takes just about the one. And then you can see the instant option as well, but there is a fee to that. It's typically based off of a percentage or up to a certain amount when it comes to the fee, but it will always tell you, and that usually takes no less than 15 minutes to show up in your bank on file, so that way you can have that money right away. So whichever option you choose, which I'm going to go ahead and go standard. It's going to do my Face ID right over here, and then it's going to go ahead and say $8.50 will be available for you on your bank account on Tuesday, which is actually 2 business days from when I'm recording. Hit done, and I am all good to go. Now, like I mentioned, I want you to keep on learning and how to utilize Cash App, so check out my next video right over here on how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.